Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sigurciana, a Fiti Rozo at Arder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay. No? A monthly pasilip na for the month of August 2026 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices sa'yo ng ating Eagle Spirit, ang ating mga kagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. But don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng art away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na guumapa na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices no, ng ating Angel Spirit no, para sa mga kapatid nating Leo. No? Let's see and watch this. Ano kayang mensahe sa iyo ng ating Angel Spirit? Let's see for the month of August 2026. Ano kayo maaaring masagat sa energy mo? There's a 5 of Wands. So there's something, an arguments. No? May mga arguments, there's something complication na maaaring mangyari or maganap dito. Kaya kailangan maging aware. No? Just being aware kasi may mga something competitors or kompetensya na maaaring nasasagap din sa energy mo. And there's something like Queen of Wands, by confident, nakasamang loob mo. Nagkakaroon ng inner conflict. So, alinlangan na takot to. So, kailangan maging aware ka. No? Malabanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo. There's the Five of Wands and the Queen of Wands, something, a confident, no? Inner conflict. Let's see additional messages. Additional messages to represent with the King of Pentacles, no? Being secure. So, kailangan marunong kang pangalagaan at proteksyonan mo. Ano man yung bagay na meron ka. So, ngayong buwan na to, parang pinapaalalahanan na mas maging maingat ka. Lakasan ang loob mo, ano man yung bagay na ginagawa mo. No, kailangan, kumbaga, alisin mo yung alinlangan mo at pangamba mo. No, kasi nagkakaroon ng inner conflict dahil, kumbaga, meron kang gustong gawin pero natatakot ka, nangangamba ka, no? Kailangan mo magkaroon ng security and practicality. So, kailangan, kumbaga, lakasan mo lang ang loob mo. With the other side, kailangan i-convince mo yung sarili mo sa bagay na gagawin mo. No, it's a good or right for you. Ganun yun. No, because there's something a hyphen. No, there's something education or there's a lesson learned. So, may mga bagay dito na natutunan mo from the past or naranasan mo na from the past na kailangan, kumbaga, isipin mo, isa lang alang mo. No, may mga pangyayari kasi dyan na parang magsisink in sa'yo eh. No, parang something repeated cycle. No? Let's see. And there's a 10 of Wands, something overloaded. So may mga obligation responsibilities ka dito. No, there's some more on obligation responsibilities. There's something burden. Na bigat, pasakit at pasanin na maaaring pinagdadaanan mo as of now. Let's see, what is additional messages? Let's see, there's something an Ace of Swords. So, something a breakthrough. Now, may mga bagay na maaaring mapagtatagumpayan mo. Now, the Ace of Swords, something breakthrough, mental clarity. No? There's something success-driven. So, talaga magtatagumpay ka. Ano man yung bagay na gusto mo mangyari, talaga masusungkit mo ang corona. Na? Ganun. Makakamit mo. Now, what is the Five of Wands? The Five of Wands represent what? Represent the Four of Swords, something rest. No, kailangan mo na sapat na pahinga. No? Maaaring nag-overfatigue ka. No? Isa sa bagay na maaaring magkaroon ng problema sa iyo dito dahil kulang sa pahinga. No? Nag-overfatigue ka na, maaaring nakakaranas ka na ng kung ano-ano mang eksena or maaaring ngayong buwan na to, sinasabi sa iyo mag-ingat ka dahil maaaring mag-overfatigue ka. So, maraming ganap na maaaring mangyari ngayong August. Ay! Season nyo yun, diba? Oh, malapit na ang birthday. Oh my God, Leo sign na pala ngayon. Totoo ba? Leo sign na? What is the Queen of Wands? Ay, ang ganda ha. Kasi unang reading ko ngayon ng monthly gabay is for Leo signs. Now, there's a Wheel of Fortune with returning back. So, ngayong buwan na to talaga, pinapakita na lakas ng loob mo. There's something of fruit of flavor. So, parang pinapakita dyan talagang aanihin mo. No, ano man yung bagay na talagang para sa'yo. Ganon. May pagkamkam talaga na makakamtan mo na. Ganon talaga siya, guys. Now, what is the King of Pentacles? The King of Pentacles, the represent with that card. There's something, a transformation, na may mga pagbabago talaga magaganap sa situations mo. There is something, a big transformation, kaya kailangan maging practical ka. The Death card, something and ending, and a new beginning. So may mga bagay na tatapusin, tutuldukan. Oh, ngayong August na to ay maaaring matatapos na naman yung bagay o sigalit mo, no? Na maaaring pinagdadaanan ngayong buwan ng July, no? This coming August, no? Maaaring magkaroon na ng changes in development or there's something, a big transformation na mga ayos sa buhay mo. Let's see. Let's watch it. Let's watch additional messages. What is the Hierophant? The Hierophant to represent, guys, with a Devil card. Oh! The Hierophant, something education or lesson learned. With a Devil card, I feel something meron dito nga negative or there's something a black magic involved. No? The Devil, something demonic. There's something curses, evil eye. No, there's a Hierophant for education na kailangan mo matutunan. With the other side, ang Hierophant, there's something religious factor. The Hierophant, something kumbaga religious belief. Now, there is something rituals. Ganon. So, pinapakita dito na mayroong kang something, may tradition dito eh. No, with the Devil card. Ibig sabihin, there's a tradition, the Devil card. Ibig sabihin, ang gumagawa sa'yo, it's not unordinary. No, may sumasalbahay sa'yo dito. No, kung hindi to evil eye, there's something curses. Let's see. What is the Ten of Wands? The Ten of Wands to represent, guys, with a Three of Swords. Sabi ko na nga ba, may inggitera. No, may inggitera sa situations mo. There's a Ten of Wands, something burden. Bakit? Mabigat ang situations mo. Bakit? Now, that because of this, inggitera. So, may inggitera talaga. No, may naiinggit behind your back. Oh. What is the Ace of Swords? The Ace of Swords represent, guys, with a judgment. This is something a wake-up call. May paalala talaga na you need to pay attention. So may bagay na parang, kumbaga kailangan continue what you're doing, na parang may red flag, paalala sa'yo na huwag ka magpapadistract. No? Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. No? Maaring magtatagumpay ka at the end of the time. So ngayong buwan na to, it's more on revelations. No? It's more on processing for healing. Ganon. Let's see what is the Ten of Wands and the Four of Swords. The Ten of Wands are represented the Four of Swords. There is something a Knight of Swords. Success driven, bibilis na takbo na situations. Na maraming ganap talaga mangyari ngayong August na to. Na maraming eksena daw na darating sa inyo, kaya maghanda kayo. No? There is the Queen of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. Represented the Five of Swords. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune is something a good. No? There's something a good luck, destiny. The Queen of Wands by confident na mangyayari talaga ano man yung bagay na gusto mong gawin. But there's a twist. Now, with the Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. That because of your actions. Yes, magagawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, but kailangan maging aware ka. Now, magkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action kasi magkakaroon ng pala-desisyon. So, yun. Now, magiging pala-desisyon ka. So, kailangan yung buwan na to, mag-ingat ka. No? What is the King of Pentacles and the Death card? Represent with the Four of Cups. So, just re-evaluate, analyze. So, mayroong bagay na kailangan talagang pag-isipang mabuti. Klaruhing mabuti. No? Hindi pwede talagang pala decision. This is something a big transformation. No? With the other side, mag-ingat ka sa mga pagkain or inumin na tinatanggap mo. With the Four of Cups. No? Kasi may Death card dito. So, mag-ingat ka. No? It's either baka malason ka or magawa ka ng hindi maganda. No? By food, drinks, something like that. Maging secure at practical ka lang. Additional messages with the Heart and the Three of the Devil card, there's a Ten of Cups. So, meron talaga inggit sa family mo. With a Hierophant, something a religious pact or religious, there's something a Devil card, something demonic. No, with the Ten of Cups, something na family related. No, maaring meron ditong about sa family matter. So, maaring may inggit sa pamilya talaga. No? Kumbaga, there's something, may nakikita kong kadena. No, parang, kumbaga, itong ginagawa sa inyo, hindi na siya ordinaryo sa inyo or parang hindi na bago. No? Kasi madalas na to. Ibig sabihin, matagal na rin to. No? Gawain na to ng gumagawa sa inyo. Talagang inggit sa pamilya nyo. What is the Ten of Wands and the Three of Swords? Reference with the Eight of Cups. No, there is something moving forward. So, kailangan mo makalis sa hindi maganda situation. Nakita mo yan, guys? No, yung pintuan may there's an evil eye. Ibig sabihin, no, sa paligid nyo, maraming nakatingin sa inyong tahanan. No, maraming nakatingin sa inyong pamilya, ganon. What is the Ace of Swords? Because the Judgment. Reference with the Magician for manifestation. So may mga bagay doon na ma-manifest ka dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na there's an Ace of Swords with a breakthrough, with a judgment, something a wake-up call, red flag, pinapaalalahanan ka ng continue what you're doing. So parang ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, dinidistract ka, no? Para hindi mo ma-fulfill ano man yung bagay na gusto mo mangyari. No? And there's a magician for manifestation. And there's something reflection. There's something creations, no? Ano man yung bagay na gagawin mo ay maaaring magre-reflect sa'yo. No? You create your situation and you have the power to change it. So, ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa ng parang para makaalis ka dyan. Ganun yun. Now, let's see. What is an outcome? Ang outcome, guys, now represent dito is something Ace of Wands. So, there's a plan. So, ngayong buwan ng August, there's a lot of plan. So, maraming plano, maraming proyektong darating sa'yo. So, let's see. Additional messages. So, represent, guys, with the Eight of Pentacles. Now, just focus. Tulad ng sinasabi ko. Now, continue of what you're doing. Now, the Eight of Cups, something a focus, being concentrated. No, the Five of Swords, something self-sabotage. Na ibig sabihin dito, na magiging maganda ang sitwasyon mo, lakas ang loob mo, magkakaroon dito ng self-sabotage, that because of your action. Kaya wag kang pala desisyon. Na lahat ng gagawin mo, lahat ng, kumbaga gusto mong gawin, dadaan sa tamang proseso, wag kang magmamadali. Ganun yun. What is the additional messages? Now, represent, guys, with the King of Wands, so there is a vision. Look at the bigger picture. Lagi mong titignan daw dito yung magiging kalalabasan. No, there's a disadvantage and advantage ng bawat decision. So, kailangan pag-iisipang mabuti. Na huwag kang pala desisyon. Char. Yung pinaka-hashtag natin ngayon, huwag kang pala desisyon. No? Ito yung quote of the day of, for the month of August. No? Ito yung paalala talaga, no? Sa ating mga kapatid na Leo signs ay sinasabi dito, ngayong buwan na to, wag kang pala desisyon. And there is an Eight of Swords, no? The Eight of Swords, at yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Totoo na yung sinasabi ko, nagmana lang, gigigil ako. The Eight of Swords, there is a lot of toxic and negativities around. So, hindi ka talaga makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. Nakita mo yan? Naka-blindfold, hindi siya makakilos, hindi siya makagalaw. There is a lot of swords. Yun. Maraming sword. Ito yung sinasabi na hype and something religious factor. With the devil card, something demonic. No? Like curses, palipad hangin, evil eye. With the ten of cups, something about sa family matter. Na related sa family mo. And there's something Eight of Swords na hindi kayo makakilos, hindi kayo makagalaw. Bawat galaw, bawat eksena, no, ay maaaring nasusubaybayan ng inyong kapitbaler, no, na mga inggit, ambisyosa, in even your family matter, or family related, no, ganan. So, maraming mga inggitera dyan. Let's see what is the additional messages with the Ten of Wands, the Three of Swords, in the Eight of Cups, there is something, a Five of Cups. Disappointment. No, meron, madidisappoint daw. So, unti-unti ka na talaga makakalis sa hindi maganda sitwasyon ngayong buwan ng August at madidisappoint daw yung mga taong naiinggit behind your back. So, continue what you're doing. So, let's see what is the additional messages tayo with the Ace of Swords, with the Judgment, or because the Magician. Daming baraha, no? Kasi may clarificatory tayo, guys, no? Once na magbagsak ng baraha, no, yung message ng baraha, may clarification yan. There's something, a messages, at the same time for the outcome. Yun. Kaya maraming lines. Huh? And there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition. So may mga bagay na unti-unti na kayo hindi makakaalis sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. Magbangon, no? Talagang unti-unti na bubukas ang pintuan sa panibagong oportunidad para sa iyo ngayong buwan ng August. Let's see. Hanapin natin, nagilapin natin, maaring i-mensahe sa iyo ng ating Angel Spirit. Kala mo tapos sa tayo? Hindi pa. May mga gabay pa tayo. Angel Spirit messages gave an information. Ano ang gustong sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? What is the advices and messages for you guys? With the Queen of Cups, emotional intelligent. Na maging matalino kapag dating sa emosyon. Ito yung sinasabi siguro kaya huwag ka pala desisyon eh. Kasi ngayong buwan ng August, magiging emotional ka. No? Hindi ko alam kung magiging dramatically actress or actor ka. With the Three of Pentacles, there's a lot of collaboration. Maraming communications, maraming ganap, maraming maaaring nga ma-reconcile with your friends, with your families. With the Empress card, there's a river. Talaga renewal. So renew atong buwan na to, there's a more on renew and there's a more on healing. With the other side, ngayong buwan ng August, there's a possibility na mabuntis ka kung babae ka. Now, there's a feminine energy ako na sense dito. With the other side, with a new beginning, there's something, a blessing coming in. So, may blessing daw na paparating ngayong August sa'yo. So, let's see. Angel Spirit messages na tayo. Sorry guys, no? For finances and career, let's see. For finances and career, there's a Six of Wands, so there's a victory. So magtatagumpay kayo, there's a spotlight. So maaaring mapunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na maaaring kagigiliwan ka, no? Maaaring magbo-boom yung negosyo mo, or yung business mo, or your work mo. And there's a tool because may partnership. So may partnership dito, no? And even sa business, magkakaroon ng partnership, there's something solid bond. And there's something a Hermit card. Now there's a spiritual awakening. So may mga bagay na parang mumulatin kayo about sa finances nyo. No? May mga bagay na maaaring magbubukas sa isipan nyo kung ano man yung bagay na kailangan yung gawin, ano yung kailangan yung, kumbaga, i-change ng directions, change ng decisions. So, kumbaga, this month of August, maraming changes na maaaring mangyari pagdating sa finances and career mo. Pagdating sa love life, there's something, a tower moment. Now, there's something, a major change. There's a chaos with the Knight of Wands. No, kaya wag masyadong pabugso-bugso ang damdamin, ha? Kaya sinasabi dito, kumbaga maghabaan ng pasensya, magiging moody ka. Ngayong buwan ng August, maaaring maging moody ka, no? Mabilis ka magalit, gano'n. And there's a Knight of Wands. Something perseverance. So, continue lang what you're doing, no? With the other side, meron ako sa sense dito na maaaring may problema about sa relationship. Pagdating sa kalusugan, niya, there's a Page of Cups. No, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. No, may mga nararamdaman ka na makinig sa gut feeling mo. There's a Seven of Cups, may confusion, at naguguluhan ka. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless night. With the Queen of Pentacles, nag-overpatig ka. No? Maaring there's a multitasking. No? There's a multiple works. No? There's a multiple job. So, kailangan maging aware ka. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Kasi nag-overpatig ka talaga. May nasa-sense ako na parang, kumbaga, hindi na kinakaya ng katawan lupa mo yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Hindi na siya appropriate for you. No? So, let's see what is the initial messages tayo. No, with an Angel Spirit messages. Nandito na tayo sa ating mga gabay. No, for the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, represent, guys, with a dissipating. So, parang pinapakita dito, no? Kumbaga, ano ka dito, no? Parang, yung energy na sinasabi dito na kailangan, kumbaga, mag-rest ka talaga. No? Kailangan, kumbaga, tutukan mo muna yung sarili mo. Ganun yung parang pinapakita dito sa akin. Let's see what is, synchronicities. There's a black. So, meron talaga nagbablock ng positive energy. May nagbablock dito para maging negative yung outcome. Grabe. There's a raven, may aswang. Pati dito pa naman may aswang, No, there's a raven. Kita mo? Yan yung uwak. No, napakita dyan na there's something, a negative elements na maaaring, kumbaga, inuutusan para salbayihin ka or para subaybayan ka. There's a block. Now, ito yung, kumbaga, nagbablock ng swerte mo. No, siya yung, kumbaga, gumagawa ng way para malasing ka. No, gumagawa ng eksena para bumagal yung takbo ng magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Ganun yun. Eh, kaya pala mayroon doon sa general reading mo, guys. Now I know. Now, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Everything is okay. So, don't you worry. It's all working out in a beautiful way. May magandang dahilan yan kung bakit nangyayari yan. You got the power. So, may mga bagay na maaari ma-fulfill. No, maaari may mga bagay na magagawa mo talaga dito. So, you can do it. No, kaya mong gawin yung bagay na yan na kailangan mo lang talaga mag-take ng action or decision. What is the yin and yang oracle card? There is a growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. No, magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito. There's a growth. with the romance angels, with a mystic love oracle deck. Eto guys, itong reading na to, ibang-iba to kung paano ako mag-reading no, sa mga public, no? Public people, ganon. There's something home foundation, palakasin, no, ang iyong pundasyon sa inyong tahanan, no, pagyabungin. There's something family security. See, talagang pinapakita na may ingit sa pamilya mo, ti. No, ito to, there's a home foundation, there's something, a security about sa family. Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Oh, ngayon yung sabihin sa akin dito mo ito ba, Charis? Ganon. Now, what is the Jesus loving quote said? Ito ha, this card is for Jesus loving quote. Oh, di ba? Sabi nila ang tarot cards daw ay for them, devil or demon. No, hindi lahat. Kasi ito, there's something in angels messages for Jesus. No? Depende yun sa nagbabaraha. Siyempre, ganda-ganda ko, tapos, di ba? Ganun yun. What is the Jesus loving quote said? To represent without not, be not afraid, only believe. So, see, wag ka daw matakot, basta maniniwala ka sa mga bagay na kaloob ng Diyos. Diba? Ganun yun. What is Archangel Michael messages? Nandito na tayo sa ating message for Archangel Michael messages. Pay attention to your dreams. So may mga napapanaginipan ka na maaaring tutugma kung ano man yung bagay na nararanasan mo talaga. Baka nananaginip ka ng ahas, no? Ahas or snakes nire-represent or symbolize with a traitor. Na gano'n. No? There's something betrayal. Nandito tayo for clarificatory for life situation. No, clarification to para sa buhayin mo at sa sitwasyon mo. Daming baraha. Guys, kapag general reading ng horoscope, marami talaga akong baraha. No? Kaya ito yung namimiss sa akin ng mga viewers ko no, sa YouTube. Kasi dito sa Facebook and YouTube na mapapanood nyo to. No? Kumbaga, doon kasi sa Facebook, hindi ako nakakapag-upload ng mga zodiac sign and horoscope. No? Kasi sa YouTube lang talaga ako. Kaya kung ikaw ay matagal ko ng, kumbaga, subscribers no, sa aking YouTube and followers sa aking Facebook page, ay alam nyo kung anong kalakaran ko pagdating sa reading. No, on point, no, tayo at the same time, hindi ako nagmamanipulate ng reading. Masakit man tanggapin, no? Masakit man marinig, yun talaga yung gusto sabihin ng baraha. No? Hindi po tayo nagbibisa kung ano man yung kulay mo or ano man, no? Pagdating sa iba-iba ding, pagdating sa tao, kahit sino man yan, i-reading natin, no? Lahat ng yon ay pawang sinusunod lang natin kung ano yung sinasabi ng baraha. Now, there's a protected. No? You are being protected. So, protektado ka. There's a eclipse of concealment. Navigate through the eclipse of concealment, na understanding the cyclical nature of hidden faces and awaiting revelation. May mga bagay na mapufulfill talaga naturally. Now, at the same time, maraming bagay na ma-reveal talaga dito. No? Sinasabi dito, kumaga ipinapaalam sa'yo na kaya ito nangyayari sa'yo para proteksyonan ka ng ating poong may kapal. Na para ipakita at ipaalam sa'yo na there's a spiritual problem na maaaring kumbaga nag-a-attack sa'yo, na gumagawa ng eksena sa'yo. So you need to protect yourself. No? Kaya sinasabi dito, kumbaga kailangan mong malaman anumang bagay na maaaring nire-reveal ng baraha. Ganun yun. So guys, once again, this is a monthly gabay or monthly pasilip. Now, for the month of August 2026 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. Itong reading na to is for the month of August, no? Within month of August, no? Maraming salamat po. This reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And just don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawa mag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang dirigi-skip ng ads, so ipagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys for this wonderful reading. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang panonood at pag-support sa akin. Paki-follow po ang aking FFH, no? Ng aking mga FFH, marami na kasi ako, 3 ata yung FFH. No? Paki-follow na rin po, and of course, yung dalawang YouTube channel ko pa, paki-follow na rin po, and paki-subscribe nyo na rin po as soon as possible, no, kung talagang gusto nyo. Charis. So guys, maraming salamat po, and see you the next video. Bye-bye, and babush.